Hey guys, it's Brain here and welcome to a Nerf War with Aiden, Avery, Nolan, and me. My sister is gonna be videoing it. 20,000 likes on this video.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's get to it.
Yay!
Well, for one, don't do this while your gun is primed. Well, for number
Okay.
two, Nolan, don't smack me in the side so you don't put another bruise in me.
Get to your bases. This is my base because I'm Miley Cyrus.
Oh my god. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ow, that hurt.
Oh. It's harder with 4 people. I got Nolan. Great, I got you. Oh, he's not free. Oh, God. Aiden, stop me.
Oh, wait, dude, don't get near the video.
Okay. That's cheating. Ow.
I hit you.
Give me the leg.
Ah! Got Aiden.
Hey, I killed Aiden and Nolan.
Ow! I already killed you.
No,
And he shot me in the head.
I'm out of bullets.
Dude, I killed you and then you hit me.
Okay, Brandon won.
Brandon won.
This round.
No, I won. I killed him.
In the head.
Ah.
I don't know what this thing's shooting. Okay. How do you
Oh, what?
How do you?
Oh, victory dance?
Oh.
Ah!
That's what Avery gets for losing.
Reload. Come on, get back to your base.
I'm not getting back to my base. I'm trying to find a bullet.
Well, don't use that gun then.
Only one more bullet.
Don't use that bullet. Don't use that gun then.
No other gun.
Yes! There he is.
Yeah, that gun's not good to play with, Brayden. You know it.
I know it's
hard.
This one.
I'm gonna be Nolan with the sword.
Your bases. Bases.
Round 2.
Round 2.
3, 2, 1,
go.
Oh, pro skills with the shot, boy. Nolan, nuh-uh, you're not cheating. Nolan,
You
trying
tried
to? Or I want to see you try, Nolan.
No headshots. Headshots.
The shots don't count.
A headshot.
Yeah, no shooting heads.
That actually hurts.
That's why I don't want to use that gun. I just keep hurting people every time. Oh, crap. What's that for? What's that for?
You're dead.
Oh, really hurt my stupid fellow. Stupid fellow.
You can't shoot me. You're already dead.
Aiden! Aiden, you're dead.
Well, no, I lost.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna use my
Run! James Harden
James Harden.
is getting the Cavaliers.
I'm gonna use my cannon. I'll kill. Oh, I missed you.
The most powerful.
No, you can't throw bullets.
I know. Powerful gun in the world.
Oh, that hurt. My head.
Any more bullets?
I know your weakness. What? Tickle. They're behind you. Ah, crap.
Did you hit him?
Don't stop me.
No! Nolan, run after him!
Ah! You're freaking trapped. This the
Can I jump in?
No. No. If you would jump in, I was already killed you.
Yeah, you just killed me.
Yeah, I always killed you. You're not gonna
Throw it! Oh my god.
That's so funny. I have the most powerful gun in the world.
I have the most hurtful leg in the world. Just kidding.
You hit my gun! Kill you.
Hey!
Headshot.
No, I hit you in the arm!
No, Brayden, he got you. That was fair and square. Nolan won.
Right here. Okay. Let's do round 3.
Nolan won.